half really coming down the rain, and in fact it's not taking any time at all. Just look outside at all the water that the rain's landed. Oh, look. We're just about flooded here. Gosh, I just can't believe it. So much rain, in fact. Really bad heavy rain can do all that. And we've just had a power cut there because we've had thunder there and lightning, and the power distributor is back on now. For how long I don't know, but there. And that's my daughter, you can hear in the background, guys. So I'm going to pause this now and take it and from there another one, do another going to pause it just now, and I'll be back with you shortly, guys. Hi guys, that's us back. I've just came into my front door and this is what I see. As you can see, it's taking no time at all. The water's just coming, the rain's just coming down, and this is what I see. I'm just going to pop out, and that's what it looks like. Oh, better get back in. Oh my feet, it's just got my feet right there. And it's just coming back again, just coming down. That's my daughter being crazy. Just been out in the rain, but my goodness, I just can't believe so much rain could actually do all that. Wow. Oh gosh, I've still got hen's eggs to collect and ducks to shut in here, but oh, I just don't know. No, it's taking no time at all, this rain. It's just a bit flooded here. It's just coming down. I don't know. Just typical Scots weather though, Scottish weather. But I'm hoping it's better weather tomorrow, as I'm going to take my daughter out shopping. So let's fingers crossed it's nice weather tomorrow. And bye guys, got to go. But don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and comment down below. Bye guys.